Why is homeowners insurance so expensive on Long Island? Well, we are located in a high storm area. Our property values are high. We have costly repair rates. There's lack of competition among the insurance companies. However, there are ways to reduce your insurance costs. For example, you can bundle your homeowners and auto policy. You can also raise your deductible to lower the premiums, and you can annually shop around different insurance companies to get the best deal. If you want more advice on how to reduce the cost of homeownership, please call me. I'll be glad